Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I am going to be going down to the strip, going to do a little staycation. So today is a very special day. 4 years ago today, Jordan and I started dating. So it's our 4-year anniversary, and I plan on doing something really special today. So we ended up booking a room at the MGM, and we're gonna do a 2-day staycation there, and I'm so excited. So I don't really go out very often since I'm always busy with school or work or family stuff. So I'm actually gonna go out of my way and actually get ready instead of just putting whatever on and just going out the door. So I'm really excited. I haven't done my makeup in forever, so yay. So I just took a shower basically right now. That's all I've done so far, and I towel dried my hair, and it's wet. It's really wet, so I should probably dry it a little bit more. And then my face, I just washed it. I have nothing in it right now. Okay, so from Ross I got these makeup removing cleansing wipes or whatever. So I always just bring them out anytime I'm going to start doing my makeup, because I use my fingers to put my foundation on, and that's the first step that I end up doing. So usually I end up getting makeup everywhere, so I need to wipe my hands off. So I just use this Revlon Color Stay foundation. It's the combination oily one, medium beige 240. It's just a really old one. It's half full. Hey. But yeah, so I just literally just squirt one squirt of this and put it all over my face. I am not a professional, by the way, guys. This is just a really fast get ready with me type of deal, because I am not good when it comes to makeup and stuff like that. I just do what I feel I've seen works for me in the past, or what I've seen other people do, and I find that it works. But I mean, there's so many ways to do your makeup nowadays. There's always going to be someone who does it differently, so don't even don't judge me. that's all I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm just literally going to be putting this all over my face and on my eyelids. I do have the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, but it dried out on me, so I don't know if I'm going to be using that anymore. So I'm just going to put a little bit of foundation on my lid. It tends to last all day though when I put this foundation on the lid, and it tends to keep my eyeshadow on all day. So I know some people use that as primer. Alright, why am I singing? I'm not a good singer, you silly bunny. Alright, so as you can see, can you see? I just put basically just one layer, and then I'll just go back and see where I need a little extra loving. You know, in case I have blemishes or whatever. I don't use a concealer per se. I just kind of use a little extra foundation in that area and just pat it. Again, this is not a makeup tutorial or anything like that. I know a lot of people use all these fun stuff. I've seen people bake their face, but this is not a baking channel, guys. Cool if you do though. It's awesome that you do. It just I never found the need to. I'm not really sure what differences it make. If you do know, please let me know in the bottom. But so I have this the makeup wipey thing, and I'll just wipe my fingers off, because I'll have a lot. Ooh, girl, you got makeup on your hair. Okay, so just wipe it all off. Make sure that your fingers are clean so you can move on to the next step. So what are we doing next, guys? All right, so I'm for sure going to be doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to grab a little brush for that. Okay. I always clean the brushes. That's why I love having a makeup wipe here, because I'll clean the brush itself, from the old times that I've used it, and I'll just wipe it on the makeup brush. Again, not sure if this is good for the brush or not, but it works. So I literally just wipe all the makeup off from that brush, and then I'll get a toilet paper piece. I'll get a toilet paper piece, and I'll just wipe the rest of the dryness. I mean, dry the brush on there, you know, wipe the rest of the makeup, my wipey wetness, I guess. And it should be dry to the touch. And then I just use it as if it was just freshly clean. So that's pretty cool, right? I'm over here wondering, so everything of my makeup is dying, so it's drying out. And I heard that if your dip brow from the Anastasia, if it dries out, you can put a little bit of what is it? Was it eye drops or concealer? Not eye drops or contact solution. So I'm gonna try a little bit of contact solution. Maybe that'll do something. I think I put too much. Oops. Let's see if that actually does a difference, because my thing is really dry. So this is, touch it like 5 times. This is like without. See, girls, it's just, this is drying out. Not cute. And then let's see with them. Okay. So that's, this top one is with it, without. That's how it works. So we're gonna use it. So we're gonna go with it. So let's see. I just literally, if I'm looking at this waist because my mirror's in the back, so I'm just like trying to go based on that. Which if for some reason you're like following this, because you probably shouldn't. I'm sorry, guys. So as you can see right now, I did not, again, not professional, sorry. I don't use an actual, like, to clean up like, I don't really clean up the edges that much. I just kind of like fill them in and just hopefully they'll look good. It does look cleaner and better if you do clean up the edges with concealer, you know, from the dip brow, but, or like to remove the, like, the excess surrounding it. But for some reason I just find it not very, like, huge difference. I feel like not a lot of people can tell the difference unless, like, you're gonna be taking pictures. There's this lid color here, and it's like a light metallic color. I think it's a little better. I'm just gonna put this on the actual crease too. I feel like I'll give it a little bit of a, like, help it blend out a little more, you know what I mean? Next, I'm gonna add this linear color here, and it's like this really dark chocolate brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that, kind of help define that outer part here. So next I'm gonna be putting this color from ColourPop, and it's called Millionaire. Is it because it's like a color of an, I was gonna say because it's the color of a nickel. Does this look like the color of a nickel? Penny, should I say? That's exactly what I would call this, penny. It looks like a copper penny color. So then we're gonna take some of this color and put it right on the lid. Alright guys, so I just put my lashes on and they're still drying, so you can still see the glue a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in and put more eyeliner on it to, like, make it better. And then I just use the Super Sizer CoverGirl mascara. It's like some drugstore one. It's not really expensive or anything. And then I'm basically almost finished. I can't find my face powder that I normally use because I'm a hot mess. So I'm going to be using just, I'm going to move on to my highlighter. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. So I'm just going to grab a brush like this one. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I just use this one for my base. And then I'm just going to put that on the cheekbones. Yeah. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do for today is going to be my lips. Now, even though I have a very bold eye today, I'm still going to put, like, a bold lip just because it's the strip. It's like, you know, yay, going to the strip, gambling, drinking. Anyways, I'm just going to line them lips. The NYX, put it right on top of this color here. And I'm going to clean this up real quick. Alright guys, so this is the final product, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and go get ready, get everything packed up, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this. Hopefully y'all enjoyed, and leave me a comment if you want to talk. I will try to respond as soon as I can. Bye.